Okay, let's start with the one method which is called depth first search, DFS. A DFS is an algorithm for searching a graph or a tree data structure. Okay, remember? Okay, I hope you still remember when we talk about the pre-order transversal. Okay, the concept and the operation is quite similar. However, unlike the trees, okay, in graph, we can start with any vertex, and the graphs may contain cycles, so we may come to the same loop again. Okay, to avoid the process are not more than once, so we use a boolean to store visits away. So let's see the following example. Okay, we have a list of nodes here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, some of them are not connected. Okay, if you can tell me that the number of components here. So let's start with a vertex 1. So the label vertex 1 and do a depth first search. Okay, from either 2 or 4, and you know that, okay, because 2 and 4 are connected to 1. And then suppose vertex 2 is selected. So this connection is built. So 2 can go further to 3, 5, or 6. Okay, either one of them could be good. Say, okay, suppose it is connected to 5. Then the link between them is selected. And for 5, it can go to 3, 9, 7, so say it can go to 9. So how about going further? 9 can also go to 6 or 8. So say it go to 8. And for this case, you can see that X can no longer go further. Right? Okay, so it returned to 9. For 9, okay, it still have another node that is not visited. So it would go 6. And 6, then it will go further, either going to 4 or 7. So say 4 is selected. Okay, 4. As 1 is already visited, okay, it don't need to go further to 1. So it go back to 6. And then 6 go to 7. 7, okay, no more node to go because the 5 is already visited. Okay, we'll go back to 6. And then 6, okay, it go back to the source, is going towards 6. Okay. And then 6 will go back to 9. 9 will return to 5. 5, it still have one node to go. That is 3. Therefore, it go further to 3. Okay, with this, okay, then we comes to back to 5, and then return to 2, and then back to 1. Okay, so it returns the overall result. So with this, okay, we form a tree starting from 1, and then 2, and then 5. 5 have 2 branches to 3 and 9. 9 has 2 branches to 6 and 8. And 6 has branches to 4 to 7. Okay, so it is the graph first search. It forms a tree. So if we write it as an algorithm, okay, it will be something like this. Okay, so net vertex be wished for each of unwished vertex u adjacent from V. So it go depth first search.